In this video, you will learn how to manage your invoices for EOR services. If you have any unpaid invoices, you'll see a notification on your homepage. Click View Invoices to go directly to the invoice page. Alternatively, you can click on Company in the side menu and then select Invoices. You'll notice the outstanding balances displayed at the top, showing you the total amount of all unpaid invoices. Below that, you'll see two primary tabs, Active and All. The Active tab shows invoices that need your attention, while the All tab provides a comprehensive view of every invoice. To find a specific invoice, you can use the Filter and Search function in the top bar. To view the invoice, click on it. You can see all the details, including the amount, project, the due date, and invoice. At the top, you'll find a button to download the invoice. To add proof of payment, click here. Fill out the paid amount, the transfer date of the payment, and upload the proof of payment. You can submit an inquiry if you experience any discrepancies or issues, and we will look into it. Please let us know the reason for your inquiry. You can select multiple invoices by checking the checkboxes in front of each invoice. This allows you to download invoices in batches, add proof of payment for multiple invoices simultaneously, submit inquiries, or export their data to Excel. If you want to easily export the data on the invoice to an Excel file, navigate to Payroll and then click on the Payroll Summary tab. Choose the pay cycle, and then enter the Payroll Summary folder. Click Download. The Payroll Summary includes all workers' details presented on the invoice in an Excel format, saving you time and giving the flexibility you need. Thank you for watching.